Imagine crafting a nutrient-rich smoothie, chopping veggies for salsa, and kneading pizza dough, all without washing a single extra appliance. The Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system isn't just an upgrade, it's a kitchen revolution. With 1400 watts of brute force and intelligent auto IQ technology, it conquers tasks you never thought a single countertop device could handle. This is the end of juggling gadgets and the start of effortless creation. Ready to reclaim your counter space and unlock your culinary potential? Unleashing 1400 watts of professional power. At the heart of any great kitchen system is its motor, and the Ninja Professional Plus does not disappoint. With a robust 1400 peak watt power base, this machine delivers the sheer force necessary to tackle the most demanding ingredients. Whether you're pulverizing frozen fruit for a silky smooth sorbet, crushing ice to perfection for frozen cocktails, or kneading a dense ball of whole wheat dough, the motor provides consistent, professional-grade performance. This power ensures that you're never left with chunky, uneven blends or undermixed ingredients, guaranteeing restaurant-quality results right on your countertop. 5 functions, endless possibilities. The magic of auto IQ. The true genius of the Ninja Professional Plus lies in its sophisticated yet user-friendly auto IQ technology. This intelligent system takes the guesswork out of creating perfect textures by using pre-programmed settings that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. With 5 versatile functions at the touch of a button, the machine does the thinking for you. 1. Smoothies. Creates perfectly blended, lump-free smoothies with ideal consistency. 2. Frozen drinks. Expertly crushes ice for slushies, margaritas, and frozen daiquiris. 3. Nutrient extraction. A standout feature that goes beyond basic blending. This function is engineered to extract a drink rich in vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables, helping you unlock more nutritional value from your ingredients. 4. Chopped mixtures. Provides precision processing for salsas, pestos, dressings, and vegetable chopping with uniform results. 5. Dough. Perhaps the most surprising function for a system like this, it has the torque to mix up to 2 pounds of dough, enough for 2 pizzas or a loaf of bread in as little as 30 seconds. This suite of programs makes the system accessible to both novice cooks and seasoned pros, ensuring perfect outcomes every time, without manual speed adjustments or timing worries. A 3-part design: pitcher, processor, and to-go cups. What sets the Ninja Professional Plus apart from a standard blender is its comprehensive 3-part design, each component serving a distinct and vital purpose. 1. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher. Ideal for feeding a family or preparing for a gathering, this large-capacity pitcher, with a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, is built for big batches. It features the proprietary stacked blade assembly, a multi-tiered design that pulls ingredients down through the blades for a vortex of blending power that leaves no chunk behind. It's the perfect vessel for soups, large batch smoothies, sauces, and frozen desserts. 2. The Precision Processor Bowl. This 8-cup bowl transforms the system into a fully functional food processor. It comes with 2 specialized blades, a chopping blade for even, consistent dicing and pureeing, and a dedicated dough blade. This allows you to seamlessly transition from chopping onions and nuts to whipping up a batch of cookie dough or a pizza crust, eliminating the need for a separate, bulky appliance. 3. The single-serve cups. Recognizing the need for convenience, Ninja includes 2 personal-sized cups with spout lids and their own Pro Extractor Blades assembly. This allows you to create a single-serving nutrient extraction or smoothie directly in the cup. Attach the blade base to the motor, blend, and then simply swap the blade for the lid to take your creation on the go. It's the ultimate solution for busy mornings and minimizes cleanup. Designed for performance and convenience, every aspect of the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system is designed with the user in mind. The sleek, modern gray and stainless steel design looks sophisticated in any kitchen. Maintenance is straightforward, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after tackling messy jobs like kneading dough or blending salsa. The system also includes a 30-recipe inspiration guide to help you explore its full potential, from creative smoothie combinations to homemade dips and doughs. Backed by over 31,000 customer reviews and a 4.7 out of 5-star rating, it's clear that this product has resonated with users for its durability and performance, earning its spot as a bestseller in food processors. Conclusion: the all-in-one solution for the modern home. The Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with Auto IQ is more than the sum of its parts. It successfully consolidates the functions of a high-powered blender, a full-size food processor, and a personal nutrient extractor into one streamlined, powerful, and intelligent unit. It empowers you to approach cooking with creativity and confidence, whether you're nourishing your family with vitamin-packed drinks, entertaining guests with homemade appetizers, or baking fresh bread from scratch.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Product Review channel for more videos.